Good morning, everyone. Today our book will present about ecoscience. Let's watch the video. So what just happened? Why we suddenly put into the trip journey? The truth is that wasn't just a random trip. It was a journey into ecoscience, a journey designed to help us to understand how nature really works and how ecoscience connects all living things and why humans are part of it. Let's start. The first, what is an ecoscience? A community where living organisms interact with each other and they non-living environment. For example, a forest, a pond, a single tree, or even a rotting log. Every ecosystem has living thing and non-living thing. Living thing is animal, people, plant. Non-living has water, soil, sunlight. Now that we understand what an ecosystem is, let's move on to its components. Then you explain.
Complement of ecosystem is consist of two main components: biotic of two main components: biotic component and probiotic component. Biotic component on the living in ecosystem. They include plants which are product because they make their own food, grow photosynthesis, animal which are consumers, which grow salad, material and clothing which are commercial. Probiotic components are the non-living factor in ecosystem. They include water, air, sunlight, and soil. They
Three types of ecosystem include grassland, forest, desert, and marine. Grassland are large open area covered with grass. Many grazing animals live there. Provide essential service like habitat for wildlife and help with carbon sequestration.
Look at this big place full of grass. It's called a grassland. When it's spring, lots of pretty flowers grow here. Do you see many trees? No, grasslands don't have a lot of trees. Lots of animals love grasslands though. Look, there's a hopping grasshopper, and a flying butterfly, and quick little rabbits, and mice. What other animals can you spot? Grasslands are all around the world. Sometimes people call them plains, prairies, or savannas. So next time you see a big field of grass, remember, it's a grassland, a home to many wonderful animals and beautiful flowers.
To marine, a vast subwater environment includes bacteria, plankton, microscopic land animal, eagle, coral, invertebrate, fish, and marine mammals. Marine ecosystems include ocean and sea. They are the largest ecosystem on Earth. Ocean and sea. Largest ecosystem animal, fish, whale, dolphin, have regulate climate.
The ocean is a large body of salt water that covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface and gives the Earth its deep blue colour. Within the ocean are a range of different ecosystems. There are temperate kelp forests, mangrove forests, estuaries, open ocean, and deep sea ecosystems. Today, I'm going to show you the most ecologically diverse ocean ecosystem of all, tropical coral reefs. Ready? Let's go. Tropical coral reefs are composed of colonies of marine invertebrates called corals. Some corals, like anemones and sea canes, are soft corals. They have soft, flexible bodies. They have engineered like to feed on microorganisms that pass by in the ocean currents. The corals that build the reef structure are called hard corals.
Three, forest. Only living plant animal microbes interact with each other in their non-living environment. Forest ecosystem have many trees and land. They are home to many animals and help produce oxygen. Many trees and land rich biodiversity. Animal is bird, insect, mammal produce oxygen. Forest ecosystem have many trees and land. They are home to many animals and help produce oxygen. For desert, a harsh environment defined by extremely low rainfall, specialized plant and animal adapted to survive with minimal water and extreme temperature. For energy flowing ecosystem, a food chain is a sequence that shows how energy is transferred from one organism to another. Each organism depends on the one before it for energy. Example: glass, rabbit, fox. B. Producer are organisms that can make their own food, usually through photosynthesis. They form the base of the food chain and provide energy for other organisms. Example: plants and fish. C. Consumers cannot make their own food, so they must eat all the organisms. They are classified into different levels such as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. The decomposer break down dead organism and waste they return nutrients to the environment, helping maintain balance. That is how energy moves through ecosystem. Next, we will talk about their importance.
Importance of ecosystem. Provide food and oxygen. Ecosystems are the main source of food for humans, including crops, livestock, and seafood. In addition, plants in ecosystem carry out photosynthesis, producing oxygen that is essential for humans and other living organisms to survive. To maintain natural balance, ecosystems help regulate the climate, control temperature, rainfall, and the water cycle. Organisms within ecosystems are connected through food chain, which help control population. 3. Protect biodiversity. Each ecosystem is home to a wide variety of species. Protecting ecosystems helps prevent extinction, conserve valuable genetic resources, and ensure the sustainable development of life on Earth. 4. Support human life. Ecosystems provide important natural resources such as clean water, timber, medicinal plants, and raw materials. They also help reduce natural disasters like flood and soil erosion, support tourism, and improve overall quality of life. Ecosystems are very important, but they are facing many serious threats. Hazel will explain more about it.
Threat to ecosystem pollution. Pollution is one of the most visible threats to our planet. It comes in various forms such as air, water, and soil pollution, impact, chemical runoff from factory and plastic waste in the oceans, can poison wildlife, disrupt food chains, and destroy fragile habitats like coral reefs. Deforestation involves the permanent removal of trees to make room for agriculture, urban sprawl, or logging. Impact forests are home to 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity.
Climate change, or global warming, is something we hear about all the time. But what exactly is warming our planet? And how will it impact our Earth when the light comes home? Earth has a layer of gases around it, which we call our atmosphere.
Climate change, rising global temperature driven by greenhouse gas emissions, are changing the fate of the Earth. Impact it causes extreme weather events, rising sea level, and shifting seasons. Overexploitation of resources. This refers to harvesting special or natural resources faster than they can recover. Impact it depletes natural population and throws the entire ecosystem out of balance.
Next to protecting ecosystem. planting tree, increasing green cover to absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, and restore natural habitat for various species. Next to reducing plastic, limiting single-use plastic, and switching to eco-friendly material to minimize environmental waste and pollution. Protecting wildlife, safeguarding endangered animals to maintain biodiversity and the natural balance of the food chain. Saving natural resources, conserving water and energy through collective effort to ensure a sustainable future for everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to mini game. What is an ecosystem? Who is it? I can answer the question. Which game mainly focus on ecosystem? Game turn. Three, the sun is the main source of Through this presentation, we hope you understand more about ecoscience and the importance for protecting ecoscience, meaning for protecting our future. Thank you for listening.